Okay, welcome to Graham Auto Mall. It's Magic Mike here with some new trades here at Superstore. Starting out, we've got 22 Equinox RS all-wheel drive, red, leather trim. What a sharp vehicle. Black wheels. I mean, just a really super nice ride. Another trade-in. This was traded on a new Toyota. Dodge Ram has the blacktop package. It's got really a good looking vehicle. It's a 6-banger, so it won't eat you up in gas, and it's really super nice. And you could get it here for about $30,900. Really a nice vehicle. A 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, just in. I mean, just a great looking family vehicle. Leather, moonroof, panoramic roof, chrome wheels. Really super sharp. That is only $26,995. How about a 15 Silverado to go in the snow with? It's 79,000 miles, only 21,900. Double cab, 4-wheel drive, ready to go. Tonneau cover on the back. Local fresh new car trade. What a nice truck. Another Equinox, a 22, and this is navy blue, very nice, RS. It's got the panoramic roof, black wheels, really sharp. It's a front wheel drive, and it's going to be only $26,995. Super low miles, great looker. How about a 23 Yukon 4-wheel drive, SLT, heated cooled seats, ready to roll, ready to attack that snow for only $50,900. Then we have a 2022 Blazer RS, all-wheel drive, black wheels, just a perfect looking vehicle. Panoramic roof, smells like it's new inside. 38,000 miles on it. One owner, local clean new car trade, only $31,987. We've got a 2023 Ford Edge ST line. It's got the leather trim seats, all-wheel drive for the winter, black wheels, local trade. In fact, it was a Graham employee that traded it. I mean, this car is super sweet. So come in today to Graham's and get your best deal. And remember, at Graham Auto Mall, use Superstore. Get more and pay less.